Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your router if you are experiencing no SIM card detected or SIM card mixing. So, in this tutorial, I will also show you how to solve this kind of problem in two kind of ways. Firstly, what you do is you take your router, then you find a little thing of this kind of, then you just come to your router, the back of the router, then there is this reset button here. So this is the reset button here. This is the reset, as you can see here, reset telephone and lines. Yeah, here is what you use the RJ45 for connectors. So this is the reset. So you find something tiny like this, then you just use it to place it like 30 seconds. So you see the 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 device will start booting itself. You just wait for a while. Good. So it is resetting. So let's wait for a while. Good. Still the SIM card is not showing. Then that means there is a problem within the board, or because I have reset the whole manual settings and still it's not working. So that means there will be a fault within the board. So what you will need next is so after resetting everything, this is what it will come as. You are setting everything as new, so you choose the kind of language you want, English, yeah, then admin side. And always you buying the router, they always give you a default admin password. So let's type in the password. J760. Good. So right now it wants us to create our own one, so let's do it. N9/J76. So you accept the software update that is already available. Finished. Good. So here you see it shows that no SIM card, the SIM card is missing, or good, or no SIM card detected, or the SIM card is unknown. That means that there is something wrong with the motherboard. Yeah, the slot. That means there is something wrong here. So what we are going to do is we are going to open the board and see if you can fix it or we cannot fix it. So here are the material you are going to need. If you have Apple devices, this is very common for you to get. Yeah, you need a flat, a screwdriver. Then you need this kind of, yeah, to support you to open the board. So here you off your router. Good. You need a cotton, or it doesn't matter.
the board. So here is one trick. You're not going to use this part, you're going to use here this part. So you need pressure. So let's start. Good. So good. So this one will support the distance for opening. So good. So you find another leaf. Good. Be careful when doing it. Don't use much pressure or you are going to damage some stuffs. So like you just relax and do it step by step as I'm doing it. Good. So here you use this to support for closing. Good. And here too. Oh, okay. Good. Good. So this is how the router's motherboard is. This is how it works. Good. So for us to get here, we need to unscrew here as well. So we will need our cotton again to avoid any scratches. Good. That's it. So you are going to peel off this. You are going to peel off this thing. Good. You are going to peel off. Good. Right now you are done. So you will gently remove this board from the case. Good. So this is the router. This operates everything. Everything is working here as we tested it, but here is the problem. Here, the same slots. Then that means that there is a problem within the slots. Maybe there is more this thing here. And you have to make sure that you are inserting the correct distance for here, because here is the formula. That means that here, same as this. Good. Let's find something too. Good. Done. So let's on it and try if. So now let's on our router. Good. Let's wait for it to boot and see if what we did is working. Good. It's working now, as you can see here. Yeah, so let's go to the router's domain listing and check if everything is working as it will. Good. So let's connect it to. Okay. So 9 192.168.1.1. Good. Right now you see it's working now. Anything connected. So let's try to browse if it will work. Good. Let's try YouTube. Good. YouTube also is working. What else should we try? Let's try Yahoo. Yahoo too is working. So that means this is how you operate in case you are having a difficulty of your SIM not showing up, or you are having no SIM detected. As you can see here, everything is working well. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.